How would you feel if you wake up every morning to a job you love? You do something that is meaningful to you, that stimulates you, and you think and feel like the leader you want to be. This is not a dream, people. It can be a reality, and that's what this workshop is all about. This is the thing. Currently, people are anxious about their job security. They feel stuck in their career. And there are some people who feel that they have a lot to offer in this world, but they're afraid to take the next step because of the fear of the unknowns. I was in the exact same situation in 2008, where I applied for 1,293 jobs, 1,293 jobs, and I'm not exaggerating. And I got one job out of it. And that whole experience from 2008 till now has taught me a lot about how the job application process works. So in this workshop, you're going to learn everything you need to advance in your careers. So first, we're going to start by walking through an exercise where you're going to identify what are your different career options. What's your dream career look like? And we're going to strategically figure out career options based on your strengths. And then we're going to figure out how to create a kick-ass LinkedIn profile based on your strengths. How to use LinkedIn profile to build your brand. How to use your LinkedIn profile to make people come to you instead of you trying to look for jobs or advance in your careers. And then we're going to figure out how to create resumes out of it. And once that is done, we're going to figure out how to strategize the entire job application process. And then we move on to how to ace interviews, how to negotiate salary, not only for a new company, but even in your current company. Say you're up for promotions or you have performance bonuses. How do you succinctly make your case with data and facts? So we're going to talk about that. And then once you get the job, how do you be successful in that job? How do you increase your credibility? How do you increase your visibility? What are some strategies to make you a rock star performer? And then once you're successful at the job, you want to go to the next step where you want to set yourself miles apart from the competition, right? And you want to continue that exponential growth by building your social media footprint, by start writing articles, by becoming a speaker, and all those things which gives you an added edge over other people. So that's what this workshop is about. And following these strategies, I've transformed my life in the past 15 years from an entry-level software tester earning a minimum salary into who I am today, where I'm an international keynote speaker, author, and tech career strategist. If I can do it, folks, trust me, anyone can do it, and you can do it as well, because I am an average guy and I'm going to show you how to make that transformation. So if you feel stuck in your career, if you are at the forking point of your career and need guidance, you need some motivation, you're going through high self-doubt, limiting beliefs, you can visualize your dream, your ideal career, but you're scared to make that leap. If you are frustrated with your current job and you're looking out for something which is going to give you joy and the impact you deserve, then this is going to be the right workshop for you. And any person can attend this workshop irrespective of what stage in the career you are at, because it's all about shifting your mindset, giving you inspiring motivational experience, and giving you actionable strategies to do epic shit. So hopefully I'll see you in my workshop and we're going to have such a fun time together. Stay inspired.